How to change caption language on YouTube application? For that, you have to open the YouTube application and sign into your YouTube account. Then tap on Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this section, tap on Gear icon or the Settings icon at top right corner of the screen. On the Settings page, scroll down and find out the Caption option. Open the Captions option here. If the caption preferences is toggle off in this way, just have to toggle on by tapping on the button of caption preferences, and you can edit all the options here. In order to change the caption language, tap on language and choose the preferred language that you want to set as your caption language. So that's how we change the caption language on YouTube application. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and thanks for watching and see you in the next video.